This
is a part of shit.
I'm not sure. I overpaid for it as well. It's comfortable, you know. Whoa, yeah, woohoo, damn baby. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. It's pretty early, but I've been looking forward to this day and also dreading this day. So we're going to be taking the Merc up to Rusty. It's happening. Please to the batteries. Oh, yes, that's good news. That's good news. The battery is working. We are taking the SLK up to Rusty Autos today. So the engine swap is going to be happening very shortly. We're going to be driving up this here today. I'm pretty sure when we get there, we're going to be taking the engine out as well. But the first thing is just getting there, because as you know, this has come from Copart and I've only drove it down the road back to here. Now it is insured, it has got an MOT, it is taxed, everything's working on it, but again, it's still a Copart car. Now if you haven't noticed, in the last episode, the roof was actually all the way, you know, it was like stuck halfway, it wasn't open and it wasn't closed. I actually spent about 2 or 3 hours, you know, trying to get the roof locked up, and we actually managed to get the roof locked up. What was happening is the actual hydraulic pump itself is working, it's all working, the electronics, everything is actually working. But what was happening was, I think there's something up with like the timing of it, because what was happening was you had like 2 little rods here, these metal rods, and they were just touching. All it took was a little bit of a hit with a screwdriver, and then it kind of like jolted forward. When we get there, I'll show you, but obviously for obvious reasons, we're driving 2.5 hours on the motorway, so I'm not going to be messing about with the damn roof. First long drive in this car. Let's pray it goes to plan. So uncomfortable, this literally is touching my head. Did actually fix the supercharger in the last episode, if you remember. Let's put you, hello. Please start. Yes. I'm not gonna do any checks. We're just gonna go. Okay, here we go, Rusty, here we come. Okay, we're off, guys. We are off for some reason. Now, that big limiter thing that was flashing in the last few videos, like, you know, like limit, I guess in limit light, it means like limit driving and the warning light, that was like flashing crazy. Once I fixed the roof and got the roof like bolted back up, that kind of turned itself off, which I was happy about, because I was happy that it was just the damn roof that was causing it to like flash. Like, stop driving, you mad bastard! Now it's, well, I thought it turned itself off, but it kind of looks like it is on a little bit. Car actually drives okay. Like, I know I'm taking the piss, like genuinely, but like, I'm just the most pessimistic guy ever with cars. I've had like the worst cars in the world that just shouldn't break down, but do. Oh great, I'm glad I'm saying this and start for touch wood. That's leather. Right, we're gonna get some fuel. Now, that's the annoying thing. It's not got like a mileage number in here. I just have the fuel gauge, but you know, the annoying thing is that I'm not going to be using this car ever again. So I want £0 wasted. So I think I'm gonna put in, oh God, we're just about to be in the red. It's about 200 miles there, maybe a bit less. Now, a normal car might get like 100 miles out of 20 quid if it's decent on fuel. I don't think we're gonna use that much. Oh shit, on the right or the left. I think we're gonna go for 20. We're gonna go for 20 quid. And then if we gotta stop, we gotta stop. I don't busy here, mate. Chock a block. What really annoys me about petrol stations is that, like, when people park up and just go and like piss about in the shop for like fucking 10-15 minutes, especially when it's busy in the morning like this, like, they're all just like faffing, getting Costa coffees, getting this and that. Pisses me off, mate. Really does piss me off. The worst thing, this bloody van, the driver sat in it the whole time. He was just waiting for his buddy. Right, I know I might sound like a hypocrite. I've gone with a Monster, a Nourishment, and a couple of pork pies, but I promise there's no, and there still is no one behind me. There's literally no fucking drinks things in here. Like, why do 2-seater cars do that? It's like, yeah, like, alright, it's a driving car. We're still gonna fucking drink, do you know what I mean? If it's a 2-seater, now they're not gonna drink, we don't need that. Yeah, we are gonna drink. I'm gonna piss like a racehorse after this Monster, but I went with just 20 quid, so I mean, adds a bit of spice to the journey, doesn't it? Are we gonna make it? So, funny story, or annoying story. Another reason why I overpaid for this car. Alex Curson, you know, Auto Alex and Alex and Carthrall, he messaged me the other day and he said, yo mate, do you want my SLK 230? I don't need it, it's going to go to the scrapyard. I was like, how much do you want for it? He was like, 400 quid. I spent 900 on this. But, in my defence, his was like fucked. And it had like twice the mileage. I like would have bought it just for a funny video. But I was like, genuinely, like, I don't have the space. I think I might have wanted this 900 quid, because if I put that 400 quid engine in, I would have been like, knowing it's overheated and knowing it's fucking got twice the mileage and whatever, I would have been like paranoid. Yeah, at the time I was like, not another one.
Not another one?
Got no music. I have got my AirPods, but I've got to get a train back to London after, so I'm going to save them. Although, I could charge my AirPods, but then I need to charge my phone, and I need my phone more than my AirPods. Alright, so I might as well just sing some songs to myself, to be fair. Listen to that beautiful 2.3 Supercharged with a stock exhaust. Guys, you can't see anything right now. We're in a really dark tunnel. I'm filming it because that proves me the light isn't on. Or you can, that dim limitation light, I think is just a reflection. Oh, hello! You know what? I like that. They look so good in red, mate. Honestly, like so good in red. Red suits them so much. Okay, so update. I'm very bored. I've still got an hour and 40 left. The fuel's looking really good. I think we'll make up fuel. My Monster, I've drank all the Monsters, so I'm dying for a piss. I bought a protein nourishment drink, which are very nice by the way, but now I'm dying for a shit. This on my head is really annoying. It keeps dropping on my head, the saggy roof liner. There's a rattle from somewhere over here and it's annoying the hell out of me. I think the tracking's out in the car, so it's constantly pulling me to the left. So I had to hold the steering wheel to the right for all the time. Other than that, it's going all right. For some reason though, like it never gets to 90 degrees temperature. I think it like sits at 80, and then if I'm going quicker and I've got a lot of wind flow, it goes down to like 70. So I don't know what these are supposed to run at. Okay, maybe I overestimated the fuel. I'm literally just touching the empty bit now. I've like 1/8 of a tank left, and I've still got 56 miles. Oh no, the fuel light's just come on, and we've still got 40 miles. I might just put like a 5 or a 10er in it, guys, because if I get stuck, then that's going to be more annoying than spending £10, right? I'm not going to make it. Sorry, M1. Goodbye, the M1. I'm not going to make it. I gave in. So's everyone. I put a 10er in. Now we got enough fuel. I probably could have just got away with a 5er, to be fair. Man, you can take the guys from up north, but you can't take the northern out the guys, you know what I mean? Here we are, guys. It's been a while. Look at this truck. Oh yeah, I like that. It has been a while. Here we are at Rusty Autos. Emily's Volvo is there as well. Let's have a look at it. Hello. Have you ever seen a machine like this?
I have, yeah.
What, you've seen a machine like this? My camera don't know what's going on. This
Is a part of shit.
I'm not sure. I overpaid for it as well.
I mean, it runs, so that's a good thing.
It's low mileage.
How low are we talking? Why is there a boost pack in there?
A what? Boost. Oh, just in case the battery was dead. 70,000 miles.
Oh, that's not too bad.
For a car from 1990 something. It's comfortable, you know? Whoa, yeah, woohoo, damn baby. Yeah.
I see you've been checking your oil regular.
That was already in there.
Was
It has got an oil leak.
Where from?
I don't know. Listen. Woo! Who? 2J what? 2J who?
You can hear that supercharger.
You can hear the supercharger. Well, you couldn't when I first bought it because it was broke.
Was it?
Yeah,
Oh.
I fixed it though.
What was wrong with it?
There was a relay in here and the solder cracked.
Oh, right.
So I had to resolder the ECU. Obviously the internet told me to do it, I didn't know that myself. But, yeah, 197 horsepower.
Oh, there is a leak. There's a bad leak.
Can you see a leak?
There's a big puddle there.
Is there? It sounds like it's got oil in it, so it'd be alright.
Sounds like it.
But the thing is, there has been a puddle down there for a while.
that off, Jay?
Well, when I bought it, that puddle was there.
So it's been there a while.
So I have topped the road, but there was some oil in it. It only took like a litre when I first bought it. And it's been in Copart for a few months, so I don't know. Low mileage, guys. 78,000 miles. So step one is complete. She's here. The 190 isn't here. The next thing is to bring the 190 down. But we're here in the next video, which we're going to be filming now. We're going to be taking the engine out. Hopefully that oil leak isn't too bad. But we're starting.